Alright, welcome to the morning routine, everybody. Happy I already screwed that up. Cut that part out, Ray.
Damn it, Carl!
Alright, everybody, welcome to the morning routine. Happy Friday. It is Friday. Happy fun Friday. Got Anthony here. You're not Lavelle.
No, I'm
You're
not.
Anthony.
I'm way too tall to be Lavelle.
You
Sorry.
are way too tall to be Lavelle. Yes. Have you grown since the last time I've seen you?
Honestly, no. I'm not.
Probably haven't grown in a while. So how you been? You got a job, you're working, how's that going?
Yeah, I've been working a lot. The kids are really fun. They're crazy a lot, but over time they tend to, they get to know you and stuff. There's, I think, four of the kids that actually know my name, and they actually look at me like, he's a giant, he's so tall. I feel like a beanstalk compared to them.
And where are you working at?
I'm working at Therapeutic Pathways. It is down the street from here.
Nice. And how long you been there now?
I want to say 6 or 7 months.
6 or 7 months. That's pretty impressive. Nice. You still liking it?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Sounds like it's fun having all the kids running around. Hi, Anthony! Nice. Good. Well, I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you having the job. This is your first kind of real big, independent employment, right?
Yes.
Feels good, huh?
It really does feel good. And I don't know, it feels like I've been there longer. And it's like I just started 6 months ago, so it's still processing for me.
Right. Yeah, 6 months is still new, but that's great. So now with all that green cash growing in your pockets, are you saving up for a special event coming up soon? You probably don't really have to save for it because how many hours a week you working?
I'll say 4 hours a week is usually how much I work.
Yeah, 4 hours?
Yeah.
So you're saving up for an event coming up this week. Not this weekend, but in a couple weekends, I bet. January 10th. Do you have any plans?
I'm so lost right now.
What? How can you be? You don't know what's going on January 10th?
No, I forgot. Wait, you gotta remind me of these things, Carl.
Oh my goodness. Anthony, the new Jurassic Park comes out January 10th.
June 10th.
What did I say?
You said January.
I meant June. Did I say January the whole time? June 10th. I said June, didn't I? Didn't I not take it?
You said January 3 times.
June 10th. Do you have some plans?
Yeah.
Now you do.
Yeah.
All right. So June 10th, June 10th.
I should have worn my shirt so I can remind you, Carl.
Yeah. Well, you got a good one, Stark Industries.
Yeah.
So June 10th, the new Jurassic Park comes out.
Yes,
How excited are you? I know you're a big fan, so you got to be pretty dang excited.
I know, I should have worn my shirt. I wish you had told me yesterday. I would have been prepared.
Well, it's a little bit of surprise. So how you feeling? You pretty pumped up about this one?
Yes, I am well prepared. I got my money saved up, and I'm actually inviting one of my friends. They said that they haven't seen all the movies yet, but I told them, go home, watch all of them either on Netflix or whatever service they get, Hulu Plus, I don't know. Yeah. Watch all of them, then come back to me. We're gonna go straight to the movies and we're gonna watch it. And she said, yeah, she's gonna watch it.
Nice. Yeah, I recommend that to everybody though. Even if you're planning on going to see it, I'm gonna go watch. I'm not gonna watch the original ones. The first 3, I'm just gonna watch the Kingdom ones, the newer ones.
Oh, you're just gonna watch the Jurassic World ones.
World ones, yes. I always get confused because I know Jurassic World is actually the second book. That's what the second book was called. The first book was called Jurassic Park.
Yes.
The second book was called Jurassic World. So I always get confused because even the second movie was Jurassic Park 2, Jurassic World.
No, I think it was Jurassic Park, The Lost World.
The Lost World, that's what it was. Anyway, I don't know. I'm confusing myself.
All I know is there were 2 books, and I still have yet to read them. But I am excited.
That's the
I'm
only
excited
one.
for the gig Anonymosaurus because it looks cool.
Oh.
But it would be really, really amazing if they added him too.
Very cool. All right, well, we got more to talk about with Jurassic Park, but first, let's check in with our friends right here.
Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, and in my world, it's take two. I haven't had one of those before. Oh, let's see what happens. So we are heading into a weekend, the first weekend of June. Ooh, I'm going to relax. No, I'm not. I'm going to look at the house and go, ooh, you haven't been home in a while and you need to clean it. Maybe I'll relax outside and then I won't see the house inside. My luck, it'll be too warm. Oh, anyway, it is Friday the 3rd. And it's National Egg Day. You know, the edible, lovable egg, you know. Scrambled, fried, boiled, poached, omeleted, whipped, meringue. Good gravy you can do a lot with an egg, huh? No wonder they call it universal type thing. Good protein, got good fats too, and you know, not eating a whole 12-pack of them, which is a dozen. Drinking them raw, never. That's the only thing I've never done. I don't know if I can get the slimy part down my throat. Maybe if I thought about it as an oyster, because I like oysters, but I'd rather have mine poached with hollandaise sauce on it. Or a really good French omelet. And yes, they are different from an American omelet. Way different. But I love an egg. I love egg salad. I love deviled eggs. You know, when you see them at a party, you always go, ooh, deviled eggs, and you have to try them, and you're really hoping they're good because, you know, a deviled egg that's not good, it's just not good. But if they're good, then I could be that person to sit there and eat all of them. And then, well, we all know what happens if you ate way too many eggs like that. We're not going to discuss that. This is a morning show. Whatever form you like an egg, whether it be all of those that I mentioned above, and then maybe some I forgot. Celebrate the egg today on National Egg Day.
All right, hey guys, it is Friday. The end of the week has come. It's a short week. Hope you guys had a lot of fun this week. But let's go back to the bearded past with Zach. So today, a little free-for-all Friday, give you guys a little bit of history here. Hernando de Soto's expedition. Hernando was basically he was contracted out through Spain to find the New World, and so on this particular day, he claims Florida for Spain. Funny thing is, a year later, he crosses the Appalachian Mountains and is the first European to do so on this same date. A year later. So very interesting. Also, too, on this wonderful day in history, we have the Eddie Collins, 1925 baseball legend. He's the sixth man in 1925. The sixth man already to hit 3,000 hits. I mean, that's crazy, crazy, crazy. And then last but not least, 1932 future Hall of Fame baseball star Lou Gehrig, first to hit 4 consecutive home runs in a Major League Baseball game. The New York Yankees go on to beat the Philadelphia Phillies 20-13. This is incredible. It's an incredible feat. It's insanity, to be honest with you. Lou Gehrig's one of the great ones. And, of course, a lot of us know him for, quote-unquote, Lou Gehrig's disease. He went on to pass years in 1937, actually. 5 years later, he went on to pass from that disease. But on this particular day, 4 home runs in a row. All right, guys. Hey, have a great weekend. Enjoy. Get the most out of it. All right. Bye, everybody.
All right, very good. Thank you guys for that. It's a fun Friday. We're talking Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. It's Dominion, right? It's
Yes.
the name of the new movie coming out. We're excited about that. I'm really excited about it because honestly, I don't go and see movies when they open anymore.
I do.
But I'm going to on this one because I'm just so excited about it. In fact, the first Jurassic Park, I was in I was a senior in high school. Came out in 1993. I just graduated, or was about to graduate. June 10th. We graduated later. It was right around that time. Anyway, I saw it like 3 or 4 times the first week it came out.
Nah.
Anybody that wanted to go, I was like, I'm going with you.
It's funny that you bring that up because I actually did see the first Jurassic Park the day it came out, and I was like barely 1 at the time. We already know it came out in 1993, so I was like barely 1. And my mom and grandmother actually took me to go see it, which was great because I still remember this to this day. I don't know how, but I was the only kid that was like screaming in excitement. But there was a bunch of other kids that were like screaming in fear, which was funny.
It was crazy when that movie came out. It was so realistic, and I've loved dinosaurs my entire life. So for me, it was like this really big deal. I'd read the book, so excited about it, but it was intense. It was an intense movie. I've seen it a million times now, so it's different. But man, I remember just how crazy it was to see dinosaurs come to life on the screen like that. It was crazy. So I'm looking forward to this one. I know you are. We'll have to get together again after it comes out so we can break down the film and talk all the good stuff. And
We're gonna do a review of the movie. Oh,
yeah, that's
you
good.
already know I'm gonna be on board for that.
So what do you think? This is the last one in the Jurassic World series.
I'm sad.
Do you think that there's going to be something else? I don't see how they can give up on dinosaurs like this.
They can't, with how much hype it brings, how many people, including kids and adults, love this. I can see them making more. I don't want to necessarily say movies, but they could make like some spin-offs or mini-series.
Right.
I can see them doing that route, but I could see them possibly going for maybe another 3 or 4 years, and then they'll probably stop right there. But as far as them stopping with Dominion, no, they'll probably do like a spin-off or something like that.
Yeah, I think a series is probably out there somewhere, some kind of like they do with the Mandalorian or Obi-Wan now and whatnot, so something like that. So, cool. Well, very good. All right, that is it for this morning. We do have 1 o'clock, it's Friday, Insta Live, Insta Trivia. You don't get to be here for it because you're working.
Yeah, so it would be nice if I could get off work early just to see what trivia questions you guys have.
They're silly. They're always good. They're fun. It's the best game show somewhere. I'm still trying to figure out where. Do you know where it's the best game show? Maybe somebody can.
I've heard there was a game show called Jeopardy or Family Feud. You could probably do something like that, but it probably couldn't compete with Insta Live Instant Trivia.
Probably not. I mean, those are they've been around, but they're old. Insta Live Instant Trivia is new. It's awesome. It's born out of the pandemic. Yeah.
That's true. No other game show could probably do that.
That's right. What other game show can claim that? That's what I thought. All right. Thank you for coming in, Anthony. Always good to see you, buddy.
It's a pleasure to see you too, Carl.
Absolutely.
I feel like it's been years since I've been in front of the camera or behind the camera.
Well, technically, it has been.
I know. I need to start making time, or you need to start making time to where I can do stuff like this.
Well, let's go see. You're gonna see Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, Dominion. I'm gonna see it. We'll come back. We'll do a review of it after it comes out, so you guys can see it. No spoilers. I don't think. It'll be hard not to talk about it.
I'll try to not bring you spoilers, but I can't promise anything.
No promises. All right, everybody. Have a great Friday. We'll see you next week. Take care, everybody.
Peace.